Hello, welcome back, Cartmonk fam. If you're looking to maximize revenue with minimal effort, today's video is for you. We're diving into one click upsell offers, the perfect way to boost average order value right after checkout. No extra clicks, no extra hassle, just instant deals. Let's get into it. Imagine this, your customer just completed their purchase, and right away, you're offering them a deal they can't resist. One click upsell. It's smooth, it's fast, and it can make a huge difference in your store's revenue. Today, I'll show you exactly how to set up this powerful sale technique with WooCommerce. What exactly is a one click upsell offer? It's a post purchase deal that appears immediately after the customer completes checkout. The magic, they don't need to go through a new checkout process. They can add the upsell to their order with just one click. This strategy works great for offering complimentary products, bundles, or time sensitive discounts that encourage additional purchases right at the moment of excitement. Let me walk you through how you can set up your own one click upsell in WooCommerce. For this, I'm going to be using a plugin called Upsell. It gives you amazing benefits that customers can really take advantage of, and as a store owner, you as well. So let's just go to Upsell. This is the dashboard. I've already installed and activated this plugin on my site. So let's just go to the campaigns tab to start creating a new campaign. Now click on this create new campaign button and then select a campaign type. You can just notice that this plugin, they provide variety of campaigns that you can create, upsell campaigns, depending on the page that you're trying to actually put them in. For example, shop, product, cart, checkout, post purchase, thank you page, etc. Since this is a post purchase category, let's just go to post purchase and click on this create new campaign button, post purchase upsell. Now you can also see that this plugin, they provide compatibility to both WordPress and Elementor. So in case if you use a page builder like Elementor, you can make use of this option. I'm just going to go to WordPress, click on continue, and then this will take us to the next step, which is to choose a template. I'm just going to go for this particular template. So click on use template, and then we are going to the next step where we're actually setting up the offer, the upsell offer. So let's just go to the product here. Now here's where you select the upsell product. I'm just going to call this a belt, right? And on the right, you'll be able to see how these post-purchase upsell offers are displayed for your customers. Right here comes the content and the design. You can just go ahead and feel free to customize anything that you want with the look and feel and also the text inside this upsell offer. You can in fact enable a timer, which is displayed here as a banner. This indicates that this particular offer is time limited, increasing curiosity and urgency for customers to complete their purchase. Right? You can in fact customize the text here according to your requirements, usage limits, and stuff. Next comes the design. Here you can also customize the look and feel of the particular template, starting with the template color. Well, then comes the order details. You can in fact edit them according to your own requirement. Then comes title and description. You can in fact change them as well. The timer, text in the background color can also be changed. This is what we do. And then for further customizations of this template, you can click on this edit template layout and you'll be able to customize them. That's it. Now save your changes. Every now and then you make a change and you'll be able to notice that the campaign is saved. Now, an interesting part about this plugin is that they also provide you multiple offers that you can add for a single campaign. Depending on customers' decision of whether they can add this particular upsell to their order, they can have their next upsell products. All right. So if customers choose to accept this belt, you can set a relevant offer that would likely be purchased by the customer. So click on this add offer and select the product here. Since the first one was belt, let's go for another item from the category accessories. So I'm just going to go try to sell a cap along with it. So let's just go cap. For the previous product, we have not given any discount. So here you can just set a discount that you want. I'm just going to go for a percentage discount of 20 and save the changes. Great. You can further customize the template as well, just like we did the first one. And now if customers decline the first upsell offer, you can present them with another option that they would prefer. For example, t-shirt. If you see customers not purchasing the belt, the first upsell product, then you can try selling a second product, a flat 100 discount. All right. Now saving the changes. Likewise, you can also go for the third level upselling in this particular campaign itself, or you can simply stop it with the first upsell offer itself. For further conditions and stuff, you can simply click on this add condition button and choose from the drop down below. I'm not going to use any of them now. And if you want to schedule your campaigns, you can do so by the start and end date options here. Now save the particular campaign, and you'll be able to notice that the campaign is saved, but it's not live yet. So let's just click on this toggle button to see that the campaign is published. Right. Now to see how this works, I will have to take you to the shop page. But before we get there, let's talk about how to make it effective. Timing is everything. Show the upsell right after checkout, but don't overwhelm your customer and keep it seamless. Next, relevant products. The upsell should be something that complements the original purchase, like a matching accessory or a bundle deal. Further, create urgency. Use limited time offers like add this in the next 10 minutes for 20% off. You can customize your text like that to nudge customers into making a quick decision. And the final one, simple and clear. The one click option should be obvious and easy to use. Customers should be able to accept the upsell without any second thoughts. So make sure you configure them in such a way that it's easy for them to purchase. Once your upsell offer is live, make sure you're tracking how it's performing. You'll want to monitor metrics like conversion rates, how it's boosting the revenue, and in fact taking customers' feedback, because that helps you optimize them for maximum revenue. And here's a pro tip, especially with the plugin that I've tried out, which is the Upsell WP. They offer a unique testing method called the A/B testing. I will also go over some common mistakes that we need to avoid. But before we get there, let's see how this particular upsell campaign works. So let me just take you to the shop page. And here we are at the shop page. Let's try purchasing an item of our choice. I'm just going to go with this hoodie with logo. Just one item in my cart, proceeding to the checkout and completing my order, placing the order by clicking on this place order button. And now you'll be able to see the first offer belt is presented to me after the place order option. Now I can, as a customer, I will have the opportunity to either add it to my order or decline the offer. Let's say customers decline the offer. Now the second option I have is the t-shirt for a flat 100 discount. Right? You can customize the look and feel and make the text more effective and approachable for your brand and your customers. Right? Now I can simply choose to add or decline this offer. I'm choosing add offer to the order. You'll now be able to see that my order contains hoodie with logo and another t-shirt, that is the upsell offer product. Now let's talk about the few common mistakes we make. Too many offers. Overwhelming your customers with multiple upsell offers is going to be frustrating. So choose to keep it simple and focused. Also, offering products that don't make sense with the original purchase can turn customers off. So make sure you don't put any irrelevant products there. Without a time-sensitive offer, your upsell won't have the same impact. By keeping things simple and relevant, your customers will appreciate the offer rather than feel pestered. And that's how you set up a one-click upsell offer in WooCommerce. If you follow these steps and best practices, you'll see a noticeable boost in AOV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out